Hi, good morning. How are you? Fine. Now you are sitting to learn something. Shall we start? What we will start now? English. What we are going to start? English. Let us see the topic what we are going to learn. Which topic? Sound of A with silent E. We will learn about the sound of A with E silent. Hmm? So we are going to start with the words. Ready? See this. What is this? Everybody like it. What is it? It is a cake. It is a cake. And what is the spelling? You don't know. The spelling of cake is here. What is this? C A K E. Cake. Here, this E is silent. We are using the sound of only A. C A K E. Cake. Okay. Now the second one. What is this? You don't know. Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. It is spade. What is this? Spade. S P A D E. Spade. S P A D E. Spade. Here also E is silent. We are using the sound of only A. Continue to the next word. What is that? There are two words written. Let us see the pictures first. What is a picture? What is this? Plate. Spell the word plate now. P L A T E. Plate. P L A T E. Plate. What do you use a plate for? We eat our food in the plate. We serve our food. Mummy gives you chapati or rice in a plate. This is plate. Second one, you can tell me what is that word? What is the word? Snake? Good, it is snake. Snake. It is snake. 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 So moving to the next one. Two words are here. What are they? WHALE. Whale. What is whale? The largest animal in the world. Whale. And do you know where does the whale live? Whales live in ocean. It is a water animal. Second one. What is second one? FACE. What is FACE? Face. This is what? Face. Spell the word face. 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 Now you have seen a lot of pictures. Now I will teach you some more words with A and E sound, but E is silent. So shall we move ahead now? Okay. Look here. Now you have to tell me the words. First one. Spell the word first. P A L E. P A L E. Pale. P A L E. Pale. The second word. Spell the word first. H A L E. H A L E. Hail. H A L E. Hail. Now the third one. What is this? M A L E. M A L E. Male. M A L E. Male. One more word. Spell it. T A L-E. Now you pronounce it. What is the word T-A-L-E? Tail. Very good. Tail. H-A-L-E. Hail. M-A-L-E. Male. P-A-L-E. Pale. T-A-L-E. Tail. So moving ahead to some more words. Let us see what are they. Here is the first word. Now pronounce it. You don't know. Okay, spell it. What is it spelling? P-L-A-C-E. P-L-A-C-E. Place. Number 2. F-A-C-E. F-A-C-E. Face. That you have learned. F-A-C-E. Face. Number 3. L-A-C-E. How do you pronounce it? L-A-C-E. Lace. L-A-C-E. Lace. Number 4. R-A-C-E. R-A-C-E. Race. F-A-C-E. Face. L-A-C-E. Lace. P-L-A-C-E. Place. And R-A-C-E. Race. Now, next group of words. What are they? Have a look here. The first one. R-A-K-E. R-A-K-E. Rake. Second one. B-A-K-E. B-A-K-E. Bake. Third. L-A-K-E. How do you pronounce it? Lake. Fantastic. Fourth one. S-N-A-K-E. You know it? We have learned just now. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. So read all the words now. Bake, lake, rake and snake. So next I'll show you one next group of words. What are they? The first one. P-L-A-N-E. P-L-A-N-E. Plain. P-L-A-N-E. Plain. Number 2. C-A-N-E. C-A-N-E. Cane. C-A-N-E. Cane. Number 3. L-A-N-E. Lane. Number 3. L-A-N-E. Lane. And number 4. V-A-N-E. Vein. C-A-N-E. Cane. L-A-N-E. Lane. P-L-A-N-E. Plain. And V-A-N-E. Vein. Shall we learn some more words? Okay. They are here. The first one. L-A-T-E. L-A-T-E. Late. Late. Number 2. D-A-T-E. D-A-T-E. Date. Date. Number 3. F-A-T-E. F-A-T-E. Fate. And number 4. R-A-T-E. Rate. Date. Fate. Late. Rate. Done. Okay, I'll show you one more page. Okay, there are 4 more words. Let us see what are they. Here it is. P-L-A-N-E. Plain. B-L-A-D-E. Blade. S-P-A-D-E. Spade. S-P-A-D-E. Spade. In the first one we saw blade. Now it is spade. One more word. What is that? P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Blade. spade, plane, and plate. You learned a lot of words today. Sounds with A, but word is word letter E is silent. So let us have a revision now. What did we learn? We learned the sound of A with silent E. It is cake. A sound is coming, but at last there is a E. That E is silent. Next example, spade. Spade. A sound is coming. E is written, but we are not speaking. We are not pronouncing that letter. Next example is plate. Plate. A sound is coming, but we are not speaking the sound for E. Last example is face. A sound is there, but E is silent. This is what we learned today. Did you enjoy the class? Okay, good. We will meet again tomorrow. Take care and practice, revise, learn. Okay? Be safe at your home and take care of yourself. Bye.